A nice and roomy second-generation car, 2012 to 2018, is sold for moderate money in the SW version, with the general shortage of station wagons on the secondary market, is a great offer. Ceed of the second generation was assembled in Kaliningrad. There is no sedan, only a hatchback, 3 or 5-door, and an SW station wagon, sold slightly less than hatchbacks. The restyling of 2015 refreshed the lighting equipment, the design of the front end and the interior. A new 1.6 engine appeared in combination with the robot. Gasoline engines 1.4 MPI, 100 horsepower, and 1.6 MPI, 129 horsepower, are brothers. The differences are due to different piston strokes. The characters are similar. First of all, high noise. The timing chain sounds, the nozzles sing, and after 80,000 kilometers, valves join them, reminding them of the need to adjust the gaps. There are no hydraulic lifters. Motors do not have serious shortcomings. Many are nursed without repair for 300,000 kilometers. The chain must be checked after 100,000. On the way to 150,000 kilometers, it does not hurt to replace or dismantle. The converter. Care and attention require a throttle valve, erratic idling, often a symptom of its clogging, and often failing ignition coils. You should not save on replacing candles and oil. After the restyling, they added a new, for us, aspirated 1.6 GDI, 135 horsepower, paired with a robot and expensive trim levels. It is also noisy, but not problematic either. Transmission. Both main transmissions, as well as engines, have been tested on other Hyundai/Kia mass models. The resource is estimated at 300,000 kilometers or more. In 6-speed mechanics, of the early manifestations of SOARs, we note only leaks in the input shaft seals, sometimes difficulties with switching on the second and third gears in cold weather. More serious ailments come out after 150,000. This is the result of natural wear and tear. Automatic, joint development with Mitsubishi, with reasonable operating conditions and oil level control, lives up to 150,000 kilometers without intervention. After 200,000, it requires routine replacement of bushings and gaskets. Dirty oil starvation will quickly kill the valve body and other components. Robotic transmission DCT with 2 clutches is among the successful ones. At first, the disadvantages typical of robots were noted: low clutch life, jerks and delays, failures of even or odd gears. But an already modernized version has come to us. The limit of its capabilities has not yet been studied. The chassis lives only on good roads for a long time. When driving on broken roads, get ready to frequently change the stabilizer struts and bushings, wheel bearings, and steering tips. Lamps burn out every now and then. Almost the entire set of head optics is at risk. The front seats are problematic. Upholstery, leatherette, and stuffing wear out quickly. Heating failures are frequent. Frame springs stretch. Inexpensive 100 horsepower Ceed with mechanics is loved by taxi drivers, so this version requires in-depth testing and diagnostics when buying.